get it here. It's your boy Travis. Gym Class Heroes, baby.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yeah.
We got it all. 24/7 rocking.
Make me your radio. Turn me up when you feel low.
Yeah.
Just sing along to my story.
My radio station.
Okoman Radio. Okapi Mayano. Okapi Mayano. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio.
Everybody, do what you doing. Smile will bring a sunshine day. Everybody, do what you doing.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Everybody, do what you do. Your smile will bring a sunshine day. Everybody, do what you do. Your smile will bring a sunshine day.
Everybody, do what you doing. Smile will bring a sunshine day.
Yes. Bring it at Thomas Azali 1 after 3. And now, Yazali, the 15th day in the month of February 2022. Yada radiasi. So the ne ede adomino mienu. Mami momo di enchechi taxi drivers, truck drivers. Adwumayefo asam ne mo mia ahodo. Asam ne mo bu adwuma so de bo ma kronkron Ghana. Imamu nyina akwaba. At the most safest, accepted, stylish, educative, entertaining, exciting drive time. So you're from in an Kwame Perry. Over to me from the finest. The man in our catch you in me. Mammy Mama the Enchichia. Yanoma more banks. I would do. Michiamunina Emma Munina Ayuko. Once again, in case you just tuned into the station. Hi, Okoman 97.1 radio. Kaisa Obama Dinako Facebook, Okoman radio 97.1. We wait me join the feed in the live for her. Now, what will comment and swear they are for as well as share. Now, catch up for Frost or share. It's at the Sabri, your best social entertainment program. And I had bro. As well as YouTube, Okoman radio 97.1. At Twitter, at Okoman971. Instagram, at Okoman971. Make a day with me. Let's have fun on radio. 2 hours, 30 minutes on radio is never going to be the same. I'm in fast that I can say. I'm from Mami production team. Victor Ohinida Kolisto War. Nana Odamia. At DJ Zigibi. Na Asira Kessia come on me official DJ. DJ Donzi. Once again, Mimamunina Aquabo.
Welcome. Where's the Lord? Aquaba. On la rive. Welcome. Where's the Lord? Aquaba. On la rive.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1.
I'm a bonnie be Antonia, Metawase,
Medawasita, Washamisu Amadepa,
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Medawasita, Wahamedi Fredi Bifibamu, I'm a bonny Piantumia, Medawasita.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Every edition for Fidemo, Onyamia Chimney. Watching me, Mamma de me home. Wahuma teacher me. Mahuya Bremo to touch me, Yamia Mamemu. Wama many men who are sick. Oh, make it right. Ejani free. Of edition for no Fidemo. Onyamia Chimio. Watching me. Watch me, Yamia Mamma. Oh, Mamma, many men who are saying, watch me, so am I. Watch me, name a bushy,
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Watch me, so am I. Watch me, name a bushy. Medawasita, Wahamedi Fredi Bifibamu, I'm a bonny Piantumia, Medawasita.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yeah, so what a children that we can pay me pounds here. Now you're Okoman Radio, and when young, a Kenyan, Sam Kronyan, you, ain't Eddie Kango, Berman Fum, when I'm so.
Midin the Ekia Castro, Mandela Market. A one me watching Castro back up no size. Okoman for my de papa, me felem. Okoman for my monkey be woo. Oh, Okoman for my Jenina, Mumone yo, ya mamma Jumapa, and then the palm of the abo man you. Yes, you could have sing tree.
Now I told you what hotter, the Johnny copy and you were at the Unina Sina Mesha, behind them in Pachi. Anyway, we're at the Mefirabu. Oh, now Ujimisu, oh, Yami Uye. Now I told you what hotter, the Johnny copy and you were at the Unina Sina Mesha, behind them in Pachi. Anyway, we're at the where do my summer mommy? I'm a
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Oh, yeah, me call my for. Wakama, me, I'm a Makuma, Tommy.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Medawasita. I'm a bonny Piantumia. Medawasita. Achimini mabushe Medawasita. I'm a bonny Piantumia. Medawasita.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Medawasita. I'm a bonny Piantumia.
Let me see your hands up.
Nyamie kwa mafata yeyo aye yisena wofamane Nyamie kwa mafata tutume
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
ready? Are you sure you are ready? Me to me, come on, tomorrow. Make a Thomas sorry,
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
For all the good things you've done, for me, what shall I render say? What shall I render to you?
Pasamika said, Mimi feel who I have to judge yourself. Okoman, you show him now in the power.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
You've done for me. You saved my soul, sir. You saved my soul. And I'm forever grateful for all you've done for me.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Let me see your hands up. Come on. Yeah. Nyamie kwa mafata yeyo. Aye yisena wofamane. Aye yisena wofamane. Nyamie kwa mafata tuntume. And tuntum sena wofamane.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Nanajua Ekropon, DBMT Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, Okuji on mine. Okoman Radio, a Jew Akuabi mine. DBMT 97.1. Okoman.
Are you ready?
We are blazing.
Wafaman, Wafaman. Ah, Wafaman, 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 Wafaman. Forget who hurt you yesterday, but don't forget those who love you every day. Forget the past that makes you cry. Focus on the present that makes you smile. As I want to forget who hurt you yesterday, but don't forget those who love you every day. Forget the past that makes you cry. Focus on the present that makes you smile. Michiacha munyina kwa babio. And now I hear Oborbadi Nyame. And when I bobiru Nyame asabre pepep children so na basemu. Ocha so Nyame ocha man so bia so. Biru baseku basa ya dom Nyankopon adane dunsi si konfimfiri buafo. Ono ayena adom ayena humobo ayeti asesa krati asefo moja die emu afrisane no. Mame no momodia enche ayen kransha semwe. Because of Jesus, find joy in the midst of trials. Because of Jesus, find joy in the midst of trials. Even if we lost our way, may we not miss our target. Because of Jesus, find joy in the midst of trials. And only as someone that may know better. I wish you mean baby, I wish, and I mean baby, I'll put you every day. Meaning, my dear Samuel Warrior, and I mean him near one Sakutamwa. I told a drink yourself for co. Sefasio. And I mean him officer Kwa somebody Wakasha walk when you must him. Meaning somebody die, I wish him more wood in his show bomb pie, be say, Radia. And I mean him somebody car with him. Wucha kwensia ko bi se urade aten. But mama ka se minchiro. Se wote ka mu awiabre. Na esane se ewiase atete ewiase hawo nti. Why wadwen se wo kwa koku hu a. Me wasem bi ma wawiai. Se wo shop na sambri ame no ka sei. Wadwinya ensiso. Enti last question a wabisa on say urade tiase ada. Jasa semini bisa. Menu ka say wasedemu fiti anopa kosi anwumere. Nia ubedi nti. Wani na bibia so. Atu ni nisuo. Atu ne nnome a sambre wo fregu wa wabrabo so. Awiabre me wasem bi de ma. Adwuma no wahwehwe bia wunya. Enso wawie school wudu certificate na wurawura miamia bebre. Ye wunwani ma na abufu aba. Enti sambre waba mukura ye abu wo wiase. Wo bisa ho se na onko ade awurade bo wo hyen. Enti adwemba akopa na aba utim. So obekwa kobokro no. Awia yi me wasem mi de ma. Wawarin video bebre. Enso wutimi nya yafu ho ba. Abusuafo tan wani. Wo kwa ye fra oboni. Ye the titles ahodo na ye de ahwew. Ama ware na wo mani je bia anim. Awia me wasemi de ma. Waware enso esane se sikasam. Ene enkwala ne hwa be ye problem. Enti somebody me no kasai. Aya usa wukura ku na ne nyinaa ensi awiabre me wasemi de ma problems bia samre asua ankurankura situation bia samre wuwom awiabre me no kasa se onua me no be kasa se adamfo me no be kasa se samre obusuani Isane se asamo a me no ngo che enene se obi enyan waye wo feel say wo situation a wo wo no enya kura ebon wo feel say situation a wo no kra so enya fe asa anim guase na eba ba hwe wa braba asa samri a me no kasai yakwa wo ntimi nkobi eka na samri amene ho woto wani nso ento obi anim obi nyawaye wo fese samre amena donko bi na samre ya wo woto ye eti wo bisa ho se da benda ena meso metimi aba esoro na afoforo hu manu onyam ama afoforo timi hu me yiedie ama afoforo so timi hu sampa urade ahira me menena na ko school watimi asidan toka waware fafafa ade ne banko school sakashia singing room ukura metimu kura katua ya meden ayo dadwen awiabre me be hye ukura ka kire wo se wo wonko wo wade se wo wonko wo wade in all things give thanks and praise to the Most High God akonia sanyuna so papa mo boni mo fasida me wurade nyadida so se ensuo kura so kokokokokokokura eyema nyadida so se enne na anya yi a ekira ebeyeye enti adwen bia wafa na unim se nyame ene wo nya adwen wo sa adwen po a wafa no sachira wadwen awi abrei all is not lost all is not lost nyanyida so wo nyankopɔ mu se awurade bekasa sania opo asroche no eboye na sambre ahwiafo no nya yam hwehwe amofi se be munu amunyina be wu anie na bible kira okasa me epo etemdin enti se epo mpo atimi ate awurade kasa problems failure sickness what have you awurade mani nkunyan awiabre me peso wunya ni da so wa awurade mu se usha wan susuzo baba bedu baby awadu na watimi enya bia samre wo predodo no asasa wo se awurade betimi aye ne ma de amon wo situation says here maybe I will for there brody best you said there is a vast difference ebia na wa wo for munyina mo wa singing room mu ana nkwala da ni ade entuma atwa aye dan nim na wo for da akire batene watimi anya bia samre wo ma wo mo dan e ma wa kasa wo dan woni kura no wo asani pia enso wo no ebia no anya ne sa sa wo papa be ka kira bra yansa samre enna ye bodi din e wo mantama mote a wo bo se ni nyina no enya da krope e no de be yo defo enya da krope no de be yo mama no enya da krope no timi be ye nipa kase sa mamu ngu ani mase mamu kan yo mbeka mfa ho but nyanyida so we awurade mu na ne awurade aka no eno ena be ye ho agidifo nyina nyame so say amen kase pa waiting pai bo kire yen abra samri okosho. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, As if forgiving those who trespass against us and lead us not to temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine in the kingdom, the power and the glory forever and ever. A very big amen. Adam, Wadum.
I've been through a lot, but grace sustained me. My
Pesa me ka se me feel who I have to judge yourself. Okuma yenso ni mu na ne power
the
ha.
essence of my praise is centered on your grace.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
It was you, my lawyer in that courtroom.
Me ja ka se okuma afakwa twumo wie jijete. Ne to bar to bu afa pa.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
It's centered on your grace.
And bringing that time is exactly 25 after 3. And Yazali, the 15th day in the month of February 2022. You say you ready? I want my no eso. I saw share beba. Na minimum say. You could do my butchery and a bay idea. All right, it's time for me to turn things around. Once again, welcome to the most exciting drive time in the heart of the capital. Once again, Akwaba Drive, any Jumedi anything. You're from Nana, Kwame Imperial, but me, I'm from the finest. Me mamunina, Akwabo.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio.
Nana Jua Ekropon, Debia Mitie Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, Okuji Omai, Okoman Radio, Eju Eguapi Mind, Debia Tie 97.1. Okoman.
I can deny it. If you feeling it, come and join us, sing a song. Hey, chincha, mama, huniama. Hey, I'm passing the swamp. Only money I have sent to what you want. I reckon me who be but China, mama, whom your man. Hey, I'm passing to a only money I have sent to what you want. I reckon me who be your love took me by surprise, and it's a fact that I can't deny. Someone please tell me why. Me I feel pay the price now. Your love took me by surprise, and it's a fact that I can't deny. Someone please tell me why. Me I feel pay the price now. Sa to sa.
7.1 FM is rocking. We are blessed.
To sa to sa. Then one cool me.
97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. FM is rocking. We are blazing. We are blazing. This media man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
If you know come I go die, oh, love it. Die, oh, love it. I go die.
Okoman Radio.
Die, oh, baby. I go die, oh. Then to my day. Bring to my bro. Bra me in the other day. Bra me in the other day. Bro.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. FM is rocking. We are blazing.
ACP Kofi Okoman FM de Pore Amantem aso sin edi kanfo niema woreye na wogusu ye na wobeye no se yede to nsani ani a na chese Okoman edemufua
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio, yes, baby.
Mr. Wabayi now teaching say you whatever better pay, Papa never pay. I was the one and you open when you win in every entity. Dabby, 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 Dabby.
We are blazing. Okoman Radio.
Baby, I don't for no. What that? No. Baby, I don't for no. What that? Never. So baby, I don't for no. What that? So baby, I don't for no. What that? Man, I need to admit it to you. Man, I need to admit nada. My rage and message so you move. I'm a loser. My rage and message so you move. I'm a loser.
We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blazing.
Mr. Wabayi now teaching you say, wow. Hey, I never better pay, my brother never pay. I always say when you never when you win in every entity. No, Debbie. Oh no, Debbie.
Okoman Radio 97.1. Okomaini, Yetiani, Yakramuche.
Zibote, what's up over by a Sababoa? Zibote, what's up over by a Sababoa? Hey, if you don't need car, what's up for? And then I'm the one that
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okomaini, Yetiani, Yakramuche. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. We are blazing. We are blazing.
Out there now, partner. Chicken now, partner. Out there now, partner. I say you wanna swim me, will be my body. I say you wanna swim me, will be my body. Chicken now, partner.
Debbie, I was trying to find my Debbie. Baby. Na area bray. Michia manager. Adima aye. Woman travel and tour. Woman travel and tour. Mami Chia CEO, Uma, Ankasa. What is CEO? Adima Uma Travel and Tour. Now, what do you mean? Okay, say the Dubai na Obutu. Nami Chia manager. Adima Uma Travel and Tour. Manager Prophet Edward Ej of King's Prayer Ministry. Now, as I see, I know your business pa. So that's here. Uma Travel and Tour for your chiamo. Moa Martina Rich Junction. Sabi Biaboko Hodie. Abushia time check is exactly 47 after 3. Mami no ninko wakakra. Now when you say, I am in Komo and Komoba Cope.
I do my voice on this beat.
And I am a voice in the ANG. I do my voice as I say. Andra, I have voice there, no. Me we LPMs here. Me drop it and you ma Ghana for the divals day. No papa. Now once again, thank you so much for the love shown. So far, what you say so good. Charlie, you go. I wanted the ever fucking Ghana Young Entertainers Awards. Yabamadia nominated me, Nana Kwame Perry, as the radio presenter of the year 2021-2022 edition. In Jabusha Momadia Namodia Munkom Facebook wall. Procediano come. Procediano out of two abano. Eddie Amon Mabomadia winning simple, sir. Ewo announce it to you. Dial star 447 star 511 star. Nabo code way Eshim GA47 Ubo star 447 star 511 star. No about GA47. Not what vote to Nana Kwame Perry as a radio presenter of the year. A Ghana Young Entertainers Awards 2021-2022 edition. And also bet me at www.maxapp.org. No about voting so www.maxapp.org. No about vote come Eddie Amami wo. Let's win this together, Ghana. Let's win this together, Easton. Let's win this together. I clap him. That's right. I am yours truly, Nana Kwame Perry, aka the finest. And my man, you know, catch reading me. Now, why be electricals in penny for 7 child? Now, I mean, culture say buy electrical gadget, baby. It be fixing electrical gadget. Now, it be sitting that them. And one on my share. It be in the kettle. And I say, me no kasempo electrical stove. With the iron, you just name it. But my answer would when you bachelor a boasa market. So we sit down for fro. Na a day. I wish I would be over wire and papa the amount. And got 2 seconds. Now what Japadia what to any free air preno. And Koyaka. It's an say, damn years, I know why you need ya. Over 10 years, you out to them people. But most of them is in a wiring, so will you be about a year 3 fish ana for single phase so timi fix it kama edema wa ni nyina fa beda YB Electricals na bushiatie so wato aye likalika ibi aye de yam abro na wo pe aye obi ama na fix ya de ama okay bomodia for any chere YB Electricals obemodia installation kama de ama esa machine so aye de mix aye esami ono so mutimi fix ne kama pa abuasa market ni inside pa Wosabeka YB Electricals wo from 0242 762027 0242 762027 and 0241 074178 and 0247 703908 YB Electricals ose bomadinya bra na omo electrical gadget afisa ajinsem no ensiri dadem na abuasama kata juma yafo mo nyina michiamo sa mo ya ho de okay thank you woni musa japa ye egusu ama afoforo esi dan mremremre na ene se we a family man anasa we a single na wonya wadwen se obesi dan a ene I am sorry emiri wo ye ni mane nkaso ene ti na japa ya se wudi usika kwahye bibia mu a ene no betimi aginsem batu bomodin asi dan si wa ebebuwa echiri ma omunyina be benefit as advert bi am ji ose ma me so me benefit bi aso koto de Ejapaya Construction and General Merchant in Penny for say what the abomadia wohu nafu wani chire dawe kwapem say quarry block 5 inches and 6 inches sand block 5 inches and 6 inches hollow block 5 inches and 6 inches and you open trip e wo tipam kiam and answer rhino mu and I open wo kotokom and as a meno kasa impo wo pesa ye digu eye help am ma o ye be ye nyina de ama simple kra eba iron rods ensure binding wires Ejapaya Construction and General Merchant bebo wa na meno kasa idie wasanso wa live band adwumadie nyina ombebo ne kama pa de ama o birthday na omugina eye apasopa edi asa ehu nwom ewo mmea bi amia mi wanti okay eho ejabusuatie Ejapaya Construction and General Merchant no po awio anwumro wo betimi apusu omo homa 0244 719814 oma homa no frɛ no eye anopa awia anwumre obejo so 0244 719814 Ejapaya Construction and General Merchant na asuwa ma dansie aye memremre na Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System 24/7 chechiamo nano na meni abrante bi din koma no seja me wadi e ka sei anka meni mu guas nam se adai osi me disika koma mi nwe o so fan kotun konwa ni eye lighting na ye be use ase e ko wi akire o ma me story sa anam sinya abutre manyame e ba yin onu bibia be fan eti yankomo twetwe mu ayedi nkomo na kodum pampanso bi no ana me ka cha ne say Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System omo no oma ye bida ye yana so be poso homa na wobomodin frem panifo wodi obomodin toa homa frem panifo na wa ye obuki no ebia next week may wedding engagement na my wedding reception wa ha me pe ngongwa 100 me pe tables 5 me pe weight 10 me pe weight Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System be provided with no stress. Omo baby awo bia no ye be gu ka mu di aba ye wi aya be society akogu o strati ase Anything as somebody may come for the amount of, oh yeah, where the reception. And answer party, floating our way. Now we have sound system, lighting system, canopy, and Konga stage. But my answer when we bet happy entertainment light and sound system for Shasha from 0540 790012 0540 790012 and at 0275 042594. Happy entertainment light and sound system. Also, Baba Madia, I'm a dream, you know. I kiko. High total penny for some chow. Now, what him say Valentine Day? You too share that. You too share that. Yeah, but what the share weekend way? Ejabusha weekend way. Obia odofo anaze. Wo partner ntimian for one ko ba bia no. Bomadian say weekend way the obaya who available. Esan say chocolate pool party. E baso or high to talk. E honum na samre. Valentine ye ko die di ni. Na rating a 30 Ghana city single. And for 50 Ghana city for couples also. Now DJs on rotation here, DJ Livy P, DJ Gazi, DJ King K, and for DJ Vision. Abshia Kayo, set Chocovar pool party, and Basso or high total, Latter Junction, Sara attraction and swimming competition, eating competition, barbecue or and for Insano the Ahudu baby. MC New Yame, Nana Kwame Perry. So let's go there, let's go have fun to the fullest. What you here? Mama the answer for ticket and reservation. So open ticket TV. And answer for your reservation 0243 647 418 0243 647 418 and 0244 492408. Who can high total? Up to Jubadi has been powered by Green FM, High Total, Acro Live, Soundwave, and if you're Okoman 97.1, 80 Afi, Choco 5 Pool Party, no? We got the Sankolo! Abushia Bomadian say, who bet you are banging only a din south so? Because I need a din south so I said what on dear. And I said, we are company. And sorry. And I for most what you made the ABC when you saw a mopasa mobile who the rule. Mumo Madian Fre Okoman. Na money and Bekasa. Near Moon de Romo. Na Obamadia Bia Juma. Na Juman one Moon de Ra. Na Koyasa Diabia Minim. Wabamadia so Kania shed to Gracia. And shred that no matter what. From Penny was 0246 435 and at 0266 200222 and at 0265 200222. Woka Okoman Radio. I see you tio. I see you tio pa. And tia any a kasa. Any a her any more crap of mine. What is it? I was sharing also some job for Kraton. I'm because Kraton everybody actually like you here on your champion radio station Okoman 97.1. Once again, you're from Nana Kwame Peru, but me from the finest. And my man, you're not catching me. I'll be right back.
chawadwo enkrofo yɛ timnyamo ni ma me de besi bitan nyina na o ma ka chama me sei
Krachi, ada wo yo ho wo Akuapem ha. Wonti Ejapa ye construction and general merchant in Ghana. Eba quarry block 5 inches and answer 6 inches. Eba sand block 5 inches and answer 6 inches. Sana hollow block 5 inches and answer 6 inches. Tie. Sa wo pe abo edi asidan. Sa wo pe anya edi asidan. Sa wo pe nsuo edi akọ side. And answer binding wires. Eba building materials dia. Wontimi twa Ejapa ye construction and general merchant wonta. Esa ne se omo enema discount. Ewo adie bia wo beto bia wo ma so ye. Cement kura de enkoho. Motor cement nu anansa miensa kura ye de bekwa koja free delivery. Ubetimi afre Ejapa ye ewo 0244 719814 0244 719814. Eba iron rods abo wo pe anwea ewo rhino mu ana tipa mu. Eba kwari na wo pe ewo track mu anansa tipa mu a ni nyina ye supply nyina bi. Open stone ewo kia mu ni nyina ye de bebrew. Ejapa ye ewo dew Akuapem wo Bendel filling station no. Ubetimi afro mu ewo 0244 719814 0244 719814. Kayo sa wo ya party engagement aye anansa di biara wo ye bia wo nya live band. Ejapa ye san wo live band na omo be hu nyom amo feel te. Ejapa ye live band na wo beti ne de yie. Abushia wo betimi afre ewo 0244 719814. Ejapa ye ana
adansi for ne contractor for adam for
Money oh, hey, money oh. Ready my basa power. Chese wade na aka na nsa ped babe. Wo friends na aduan fo chese MC Kransem basa bi no ka kire. Mama my basa mi hunu amiyem.
Me do kan wa koma to yem. Me ne Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. Me you live pub and restaurant din komo dada. Wedding, funeral, float, anase parties ahodo a. Omo timi hihye dwumadi esronko ma ne ya akono. Eba sound system, lighting, canopy, nkomo any tables a. Owo ni josopo wo ho.
Chese one adan wo be vera ni imade na ye fefefe sa no won
warning eba stage kura dia wo be ma stage sonko eno ani Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. You like pub and restaurants so why a crowd say enuane papa ene nsa papa wo de be hwa wo e de amount wo man fie Akuapem omo ben Everflow from 0245 042 594 and 0540 790012. Happy Entertainment Light and Sound System. And you like pub and restaurant omo be ma wedding no aye kiko pese ne ano komata ye was this
oh mama meni aje
Happy people, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keeps the
what you get bad mind no be say you be baddest.
It is on again. Higher Heights Hotel, in collaboration with Okoman 97.1 Radio, presents Choco Farm Pool Party. Save the day is on the 19th February and on the 20th February 2022. Rate a cool 30 Ghana City for single, 50 Ghana City for couple. Time 1 p.m. sharp. Party is on once again. It's the Choco Farm Pool Party. Come have fun. Remember, it is being powered by Queen 88.5 FM, Higher Heights Hotel, Okoman 97.1 Radio, Soundwave, DJs on rotation, DJ Livy P, DJ Gazi, DJ King K, DJ Vision, and MC for the night is going to be Nana Kwame Perry, aka The Finest. And Mama Nyaka Training, come as we the Sankolo Choco Farm Pool Party. Don't be late, be there, or be square.
You wanna G with the big boys? Now you the wrong, get you the wrong.
When peace like a river.
Honey, me we abusumi anani o. Ese se me san kwa adwuma. Na kom school papa be so me be mama me. Ne metumi akoya adwuma asumdwe mu. E na me dwen hu yo.
Me do, ada wonti Peace Montessori in Ghana. Omoji nkwala 54 man, crèche, KG, primary 1 ekosi primary 5. Peace Montessori, ewo accessible location. Wasanso wo world secure compound. Asanso wo school bus asambre baby abofra no wo bia wo ba befa no. E de na ko school anopa. Excellent tuition, any care there. Wontimi omo wodamu befua.
Peace Montessori. Enye one wo hostel junction hostel echi ho no. Eho de ni amate kra ne se. Wahwe mufra ye na teacher ba ko fa mufra 12 mekire mufra dumiempe.
Sa pepepe Peace Montessori ewo ekropon Akuapem. So pese woni omo kasa ewo ahomatrofo so a ananse wogi nchemu bi afre numbers 05058292661 and 020017766 and 0279267 523. Peace Montessori ana.
Adomo Frakeke.
Peace Montessori ana.
1 teacher, 12 students.
Okoman Kasa, Okoman Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Under the nature of Danka Zangazana, Iwama. Danka Zangazana, Iwama. Danka Zangazana, Iwama. Under the nature of
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
You go for the flowers, you. Okay, one of the one. I was on the bell. Oh, yeah. I was on the bell. Oh, yeah. I'm your day. I'm about you.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Oh, that was so. Really? Miss Marshall must have it on one. I don't want to go. Again, we go back.
We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Ramen poli. That's the track of Konwa. On a bird, go fish for baby and mamma. On the level, that's way. On the level, that's way. On the ramen poli. Ramen poli.
Okoman Radio.
That's the track of Konwa. On a bird, go fish for baby and mamma. On the level, that's way. On the level, that's way. Danka Zangazana, Miwama. Danka Zangazana, Miwama. Danka Zangazana, Miwama.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Pesa me kasa mimi feel ku ga if me judge yourself. Okoman yen so ni mu na me power ha.
Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blazing. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blazing. Okoman Radio. We are blazing.
Shamba, Benin Besha, Mana, Coco Chico, Minnie Doi, dear, and Yagra, Odani Wamba, the second year. Okay. The sun also Simiswa, on today, Uja, Sang of the Simiswa, Namanani, Ayo. Okay. Bye, Mama, Summa, Imma,
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio, yes, baby.
Oda sendi anama sway, oda the other drug the other was machombo benia yole, machomba yole neke, machombo benia chiole, machombo come on, the man no besi one Mabeka
Okoman Radio.
Mabeka Kumasi Adele, Femon no go, come on no go, chum on no go, delay. Femon no go, chum on no go, chum me when the ayo. Okay. Bye ma besu hima ma kumbe. We don't stop. Hey, hey. Bia ba besu hima ma kumbe.
We are blazing. And 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. FM is rocking. We are blazing. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1. FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. 97.1 FM is rocking. Oh yeah, blaze it. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
You wanna know? Sugar tone.
What you got so be anyway? Unitia, Satrobe, ya come off in India will be passed to Subaka, Kotokusa Probe. Make una bow down one and then only a guinea magino. Make one about one and then only a guinea magino. On the bush, I'll share me wafumo. On the missy bush, I'll share me wafuma. Okasa wafa me fontin no whoop up for me, say, hurry. So bush I'll share me no wafumo. Hurry, oh. So bush I'll share me no wafuma. Hurry, oh. So bush I'll share me no wafumo. Hurry, oh. So bush I'll share me no wafuma.
We are blazing.
Okasa wa family waiting, Uba bebo mi said you hurry, oh. So much I'll share me no wafumo. Hurry, oh. So much I'll share me no wafuma. Sherry, oh. So much I'll share me no wafumo.
97.1 FM is rocking. Oh yeah, blaze it. Okoman Radio.
Yeah,
Okoman Radio.
Asudamio na zebani senie. I was your 27 after 4. Now my bomber Diana Michelle Chireha. As a son, you want to go more south. Send your bay over to me a Kawanano Kakrana, Quabrani, a Branfoda. Akobana Saro. Mami Mama Dien Chia Obipera, your fro Quabra, and answer Abra. Some who ya dear. Abra for us to be me Baba catch him. But answer no. Nana Kwame and Ponce di Atanasi. The latest and update in the world of sports every. Yeah, Bibi Abako there. Open TV. Oh yeah, dear. Right. Now, Bosumi no has a book off. A book off 15th. Yeah, do me no say minim say me ba frɛ Kwame obeka say Bosumi na book off. Bosumi na book off say ana just say. Do be here. Thank you. Na dey na dey bet you for.
And I say mienu ana merepa onu say Okoman na Champions League wo ho. Paransa na Okoman na the Ministry of Youth and Sports wakasa alongside Parliament. Oko Parliament a Parliamentary Committee on Sports. Omakasa. Almost say a China 16th me boy. 16th, 17th, 18th. Amo investigation said for Black Star team no.
And then I'm just afraid that I'm so munim de DBA.
Yeah, who did it? The brand so who and commercial Jesse number didn't go at Chomucho de. Omuches council, Omuches cardio munim de. It means this Camantino. Black Stars 17 about Jason paying for Chiluma 16th, 17th, and 18th of February 2021. And then Parliamentary Select Committee on Sports. Chiluma investigation Gasia and cop Black Stars Sakache, which say a abysmal performance. I know what you're say abysmal performance. There be not tournament. No 24 teams a buy no Ghana to 20. Let's say 24 to 20. It's young investigations.
Emranti pa na we want chances as here qualify simple grana. Comoros for
qualify so many more no bossing. Many aton sa de frère Andre Rami Morgan Dede Ayew. Say share on our captain. The be here say no baba na nchiremuni ade no. Also what media ba ebia na coach no players or the ball no na umpe o kan ewentie ebia nso na je say technical team no enye na ade ni nyina abra na be chirem di nti ayekọ amfa na Ghana fo so enya bi enti de mai tie say chana 16 17 18 di bia wait ma ba 17 fa na 18
no man no mutwa plenty kita man na said ye
why
they no
umuni yebedi wa asem yan san twa plenty kita mra ma na bra ya samo wa committee ti bra na be won they see wo court na fa ka na ma sa bra
na mo ba ya ni
mo wacha bia mo nya musika na na e ba ya mamu ya Jesus ka na mamu mame kwa ma na UEFA Champions League na too much say to you 8 p.m. Sporting CP and I say kind of Sporting Lisbon Portugal or final fins on Manchester City. And so at me at 8 p.m. 8 p.m. Corona big game. We as California Quacopo Madrid if Spain don't sako France now fins on Paris Saint-Germain PSG and so at me up and a big game to Jante Paris Saint-Germain and I fins Madrid and a bona news kakraba and the far I am Madrid ne PSG game no chiruma Abrante Karim Benzema ene obetima jiremu e de Madrid team no Samson and Neymar dos Santos Junior and also no obetima jiremu ya chira de say ya na wa je na wa ja kasa no intene Neymar and so no likely so bit my start and my Paris team no front trainer a bit my Neymar, Mbappe and a Messi. Neymar, Mbappe and a Messi. I'm going to name some bit.
What's the idea? Mbappe.
If
I'm saying Mbappe.
Mbappe no. It's you know. It's Neymar, Messi, Mbappe. I'm more likely some bit my start front trainer no. And I'm Paris Saint-Germain. It's a big game and then 8 p.m. There's a Madrid away on Paris Saint-Germain. And so it's the Bounty finest winning matches are UEFA Champions League. And then me and also be two giants. My fans say a doors name when yes ne fata sama 40 no. And then the Kojan wo ayi control room. You know.
Come on. I don't know. Oh, Jim,
control room. Control room. And nephew, no credit, okay, oh, nephew.
And I 90.
And a person of by Michelle anymore was asked a pressure in the idea sacking.
Oh, that be where you met me at the very good job. Many share away. No, they get to a bus school, and I'm swimming in Colanico school. I don't pay best 7 something.
I fast to conform best.
At mission, oh, there be. At I know, said a no, no, she.
Because I know you may Missiano.
Mr. I don't pay me who.
Okay.
Mehuno. Where you fast, I want to go jazz. Why?
It's my fancy now. Go. Very see.
That's okay. I don't go jazz. Oh, sir.
It's you.
Oh, Koja also, but I did me defend no that I don't pay me no share, you know. Yes, yeah. And also the Colane Basque, was it?
Are you in the meeting?
Okay, you. May I say, go? Yeah.
On the Senate and once on pay. And Ra, many obeda, yeah, cow, yeah, were drum hand on me, obed. And as it is a vibe.
Okay.
The kaya nyumre no.
Wana mori nam no.
No, Ibrahim. Ene Abraham mamone mama ko no mu kan antidora no mu. Come sase kakra na nam on the buy. Ti kura me hia zikidi nam ne buy no. Na medu akire ho.
Okay.
Wana me si aja wujaf. Na bia bonti ye ne ntem. Me ote nam ne kan no ne mpaboa kura yiye. Ne mpaboa yiye. Kwampe
me you one.
Kwampe mpaboa yiye. Kiki. Aso dam ya oje Chinese canvas.
Adam ya wa today.
Chinese canvas. Oba want to na say.
All right, top check once again. It's 34 after 4. Thank you so much for tuning in to Okoman 97.1 Radio. I will see you do Ajatum Kasa Fidieni. Mami Chia JP. Onya not to the dango. Sabi Bia Bokodi. Nefe Minchia aye Michael Asari Bediako. That time Bia Bokodi. Afe Dr. Opoku Bansen. Dr. Bichiao. Dr. Sabi Bia Bokodi. Afe Mikoko Florida. Na Michia Eastern Regional Police Commander DCOP. Aye Fosu Aka. And for one driver, Nelson Okraku. Afe ni bodyguard. And in the secretary, Yechiamo. Sabi Bia Bokodi.
Some young Faku, Kuku as mammy.
Aquare.
Aqua no bo, Papa the 1 year stroke. Don't
what
pictures no Kofi.
Okay.
What I say? Now, Mamma de Nebana see a catch a police for say, Nebana knew, and no a crime,
a haram.
Yes.
DCOP.
And I come to Fibaha. I'm to Fibaha. I know about say or Pacho. I see Memon Dalbay a communal labor. Okay. Shooting friend at Demi.
So I feel almost to assemblyman for Abano.
I me jiddy.
Afi.
Ya me jiddy say assemblyman Abano. Ebe ya fiwe. Aye. Na unse we no. I think say Memon that way na. Aye. Constituency secretary Abano. 70 you remember that. Aha.
Next week.
Next week.
Next week.
And we are no. And Sana.
Champions of the champions.
I think they go Alex.
Incoming chairman.
For Okre.
Incoming chairman. Alex.
And a woman organized from Beba.
From Beba.
Oh, Kwame.
Yeah, friend say.
Oh, Mese from a bad.
As I guess so be chiamio na mi huno.
Some of just idea no. You're going by spiritual meeting.
Treasure also be about
treasure on. Treasure likely. Likely said treasure. Abranti, who's Abranti bit Afrifi? Pentecost I saw down.
Okay.
And Abranti no about treasure no. Or Pentecost area. Your friend Tripoli. Tripoli. No, I just Libya capital.
Libya.
Aye.
Right.
Now, women organizer no. Likely to be few room.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Jamani amekoto no.
Oko to be won.
Your call officer dia you got to no.
David. I like but just I think say I can do one to the mu junction one. One to the mu junction one. Yeah.
Aso be huni pa.
Yeah, we hunu wa hu.
Aso be huni pa.
Ntino obi aka na kuma nto ye. Obi aka na. Show. Ene anka JP eyama ohinani abre as a JP ko bi say unse anapa no general kan say nana akrofa che say akwapmasa asin pim post office.
Okay.
Na JP so ase onji ndi papa but anapa no ohini chechem akwapmasa asin die edoso papa na unse
I deny JP ni
na JP ni so for no ha but unse JP an kan bone o se na ebia no onim ba so nya clarification but anapa na interesting unse sa historians ni ade no yeah but okriasa ase say oh kwame yeah. Aya, edu na pa want bu be radio eche mi number bia aso dem ko bitimi loan kwa na metie ai mi loan radio na metie okay me jan me ko dodo wase mi loan se na etare maso awura de nyankopon
oni ya piso
David me fa ya piso David me de tare maso ankasa yes now I'm reading the listening.
Okay
yeah
okay Abusha mami mama dia ehu nyom kakra
mami somewhere na the day you know say omunim ne din no
esa me nyem na be sports no ye ote ani mu ho
ewu na kan mete wo no
ono na me bi o kika nsam na me si bibi so e ma no
say omunim the day you dey me say the day on papa ne nim ball bo omumi mi kwa me ye ka the day you no Jordan you bomu a omo nto abede pele no sure the only UEFA Champions League guy boy kwa me France ajiba akope Marcel ni otu corner no ye head share no abedi pele no yes
okay
African Cup abedi pele ya jibi ni mamienu yi
abedi pele aje African Cup da
oje tu African Cup no kan ho
abedi
what 18 years what 18 years ni kwa boy e
no mo je ye na so no akasa be captain otimeje
captain obey captain nonsense we do so sin otwenwi sabre na Tony Yabu anu de che otimi che ye training na manso ba ya ati say is this Senegal ya ko ya na kwasi apia na ya be de pele manso ba se ba konte French ne manso na no kwasi apia na be de pele asem no 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 ya se be de pele te French kwasi apia ante French de captain's armband no ma be de pele ai yeah.
It was here more captain's band.
There was here more captain's band.
It took one as
yeah. Akasa enyen to kwa kasa no. Asia no.
Okay.
Enti so nim the day you amumra na ko choma bia the day you no.
Okay. Me da say. Yeah. Abusia mami ho nyom kakra. Me ba na me de Okoman Kasa dia bro. I'll be right back.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okumaini, Yetiani, Yekramuche.
We taking the music higher, you know.
blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. We are blazing.
They don't know why from Sapo Flubi, Sapo Flubi, why from Sapo Flubi.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Sapo Flubi. Girl, yeah, Jimmy, family, family. Girl, yeah, Mummy, family, family. Girl, yeah, Jimmy, family, family. Girl, yeah, Mummy, family, family. Girl, yeah, Jimmy, family, family. Girl, yeah, Mummy, family.
Okoman Radio 97.1. FM is rocking. We are blazing.
It was breakfast in bed. Na me and you whoop. Oh, na me pio. Girl in na me pio. I don't see no nigga. What that go be? I don't see no nigga. What that go be? What that go be?
Okoman Radio 97.1.
I'm a comico.
And 7.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Yo, me Joseph Bob.
Midingani Abrabo one, side driver back fell over grabbing. Okoman Radio, a radio, Udu Radio to Benyaso, a chat in Abinaso Faso. The set of Biafan Radio, and Panto, Okoman 97.1 radio.
No one can maintain who die. So then it's out for me one. It's out for me one. In 90 Kuto. What's my dream? So then it's out for me one. It's out for me one. If it leave, oh yeah. What's my dream? And young man in Nana, you worry one.
Yeah, what?
Galaway, the emotion on the move. And young man in Nana, you feel the one.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Awaba, Inyaloma, Kamehoshe, Odobra, Abiasa, the Filmanu, Odomet, my wom, Odomet, Kamehoshe, Odomet, my wom, Odomet, Kamehoshe, Oyo Baba, Obaba, begin your Baba, Obaba, Oyo Baba, Obaba, a friend of Baba,
We are blazing.
At the end of the day, I'm freaking. I got Hossi Kwame, bro. Any humming man, Hossi Kwame, bro. No this time.
Okoman Kasa, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Don't make me mushy. Oh, don't make me wom. Oh, don't make me mushy. Oh, your baba, oh baba, oh baba. Ding your baba, oh baba, oh baba. Oh, your baba, oh baba,
We are blazing.
a friend, oh baba, oh baba, oh baba.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
I'm in a conimana girls, mommy. What do you Jimmy, you don't mind? Yeah, I'm in Nisha. What do you Jimmy, your neck? I'm in a conimana girls, mommy. What do you Jimmy, you don't mind? Yeah, I'm in Nisha. Now you go, yeah, I'm going to weigh me, ewo. Now you go, yeah, I'm going to weigh me, ewo. Oh, don't make me wom. Oh, don't make me hushy. Oh, don't make me wom. Oh, don't make me hushy. Oh, your baba, oh baba, oh baba. Begin your baba, oh baba, oh baba. Oh, your baba, oh baba, oh baba. Every friend, oh baba, oh baba.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio. Yes, baby. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1.
Okoman Radio, a radio, Udu Radio Tua, Ubenyaso, Achedina, Ubenyaso Faso, Timisreso, Bianfan Radio, and Panto, Okoman 97.1 Radio.
97.1. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman we are blazing. FM is rocking. We are blazing. We are blazing. Okoman Radio
Yeah, James. I'm alright, home. Bomo Jameso. Yes. 58 after 4. Mami Joe Bibiara. Fitia Brico Car. I prade in Concra Crackani, and Mamma dear Monram will Coforidia. Coforidia for to say, so whom for you? Now, your Mamma dear Gia Saman Casafo. At to say what Saman Case. After young Quan Cosi a boom, I dent him. At the day, I dent him Bibia Bacodia. Now for me, Mamma the NG out of 4 more a year at Tukrum Big J. So, who dear? Yes. Now, Val's there way. Eddie Assemble. Valentine the Assemble. Papa. Me no kasa idea. If you be more chat, Obani nya bema no kuro be hudu sotro. Bema no so say Charlie jani apeso ne me ye no. Basani atibia ne. Mami drop Valentine official song obi biara baby ana obe wura vaze bia. Obia di asa Obia di chane na ya no na de na nya easy sa nwumo wa me ba twa me sure say our likes pa enwum no onya likes pa ndra and this is the song.
The 7.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1.
When you mention I'm into mintina, me wanna swim into mingaza. Me do it, say I know baby. Me baby, I say, me better don't go. Until you hear me more, I'm in your VR. Me baby, I say, me better don't go. But do you don't sing me baby, I say, me better don't go. Say what I mean, I'm in your VR. Me baby, I say, me better don't go. What's the most let don't see you be
We are blazing.
Man, I'm a now I found someone to sit on my throne. Oh, my friend, no him, man. That's a friend, me, or Hindi. I don't be your. Me to be at you. Boy, yeah. Me, my be jungle, me, yet tall. Enkosi se po beda santi memorie. To my shame, when you are living. When I'm near Sanya me, I know. When I'm near Sanya me, I know. When I'm near Sanya me, I know. Me baby, I say, me don't go. It's your evening.
Aquabwa. Send a song on this one. Obia. Now, Valse, a new way, baby, Abba Fabia. Most radio stations, television stations, any entertainer, maybe Abba Fabia, entertainer, be open, you me, Abagazo, Yamagagra. Lovely piece. Creativity level, that was true. Instrumentation on point. I feel lyrically though. I'm winning I strong. Okay. And taking this advantage, we wish you all the best in life. Yeah, from Mrs. Vera. Debbie, I had to say. Great song by All Standard. Oh my God. Akwabua Junior. Sinaso. Obia. All right, I'll be your foot to the sea. And that's the same nobody had your Okoman Kasa, bro. Lasani are you who are doing me? And so Uzampa. Valentine Day na kofa samaba entija wo basti abo nyum ne mami abo chi nyum ne bo sa nyum ne mami na femi fama adofo yakwaba eza zemresa ni oba na no wasom na no a be ma no subu ofu pa hye no gogo so se ni obe pai to
Engozi se pobeda santini.
And going out to you once again, your governor. Boni cuisine, and you were a customer. Fetch out Nazi. Nami Momo the NG out of Funina, somebody more a year. Sarah's Corner, the Shrub Beauty Parlor for me, Chiamo. Once again, yesterday was your anniversary, 7th year anniversary. Dr. Honorable Aisilabi. So, Mr. and Mrs. Aisilabi. Charlie, more to come, okay? Right, so this one is coming from me to you, that special person. And he's no other person, the boy. And yeah. Not all that, man. It's your song.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
And I don't know what to do. Sometimes I feel say she feel the same way I do. But she call me brother. I know they bab that thing. Cause sometimes we they act like lovers. Where we they do more things.
And the 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
My bestie. If you they hear this song, just know say somebody fall for you. My bestie.
Okoman Radio.
I don't say I don't for catch feelings, but it be too risky to lose you to another one. No. So somebody tell me what team I for you. Cause I know I lose waiting, I get plus you. So somebody tell me what team I for you. Cause I know I lose waiting, I get plus you. Is it my brain or my body? Maybe my heart's nowhere.
Say you're the party, I didn't say what you do. All right, get closer to your microphones. Mama, me. Na ye nin komo. My boy nyum fan find your mama girl. Say mumre muna say hey. Oh my God. Somebody tell me what I would do. Tell me what it. I pay mommy mo. Good evening. Mommy's joint. The donor from Abina Mama. I had to say Abina Mama, baby. I got to you know.
Yeah.
And I know.
Aroma money Grace.
Yeah, oh yeah, heavy. Grace in any also remember the guy, no.
I teach you. Oh no, watching I just smart.
Oh, I just.
Yeah.
And
sister. Yeah, Jenny.
Oh, okay.
I think me jam come for a prayer for. And check prayer for you now, yeah.
Right. Abusha, Emerald Society at your command Kasa, bro. And without wasting my time, from the top to the down, checking microphone 1 2 1 2. Okay. Me mama kwaba.
Yeah.
Na bibi aboko there.
Yeah.
Bibi aboko.
Asem me and a DNSC. Odofo, but wa money.
Enkasa, mami kama sem.
Me timi mbe ma no. Me kasa ntia me timi mbe ma no.
Biye wa no aye den. Ubiye wa no aye den.
Me de se kra no mo. Asem be ni.
Bibi, enra Valentine's Day a man for ni omudofo ni ade mi kunu no te me nse nifasi. Papa yi mi kunu. Na wan say enra atare kro se odi pie ye no. Eno na na ehye no no wan meda fie.
Se me nware.
We nware, oti ye kra nware. Nware, ko se atare na na ehye no ti na ukọ he.
Tebi ukuru na ne kasa sasa.
We kura na eno enya asem na ye de ba ye ni new na emu nware ukọ he. O de mama nka mama ne na Endra Vows Day papa yi me ne what na fie Happy Valentine's Day kra chi ye ntumi embie na no anka bi ankere me anka wo de untumi nto chocolate kra ma enye chocomilo baako fama me papa yi anye Milo sachet dun krapo wentumi anto bi amanu eja me say bi a pressure ne tension nti e kire no
Yebe
obeye bibi enti me wo ha na jo kra mi so opi ohwe ne live bi wa abonti o ya de wa abonti amasisia monsieur jameni ne pie e ko bon la chese ye bon command di pie fi efie ho a oko na me nrafi dem ntem na me ti say ye neighbor baako e ka che ni say na Valentine's Day wo ye me den enti ye me na kakra me say papa yi anche na meti e osi o enye onema ne worry kra den ne me o no eyi chocolate eni eyi kakra nti chese sanka menyina ho famani ante ho kakra anka menhu ne ekosi we chocolate aya package no fefefe a chese vows day small gifts aya fe na wo me amini utifie enra wo ne ama mi se memory ni na ebubu yi Adriani a wudi yansa wu pie Happy Valentine's Day kra went to chocomilo kra bomi enso mi neighbor de wetumi aye parcel de amanja se wunim se obehia no ana so no ana na nka wu kohia no na wu hia no wo kwan ya no mi busa o wei ana ama me de abasa Okoman court muntie bi na munka bi ma me cause mi susu se me kuni ya ma oya afa menye so oya afa machi wa afa machi awie cause mi tumi no tena ho
na baze wa fa hwe ama na o neighbor mo no de ama ne there
this gift no crazy wo de share he
kwame
me so to me yipie
me kasa dodo
me dase
me kasa dodo
wa fa machi esa
yese do yonko se won yanka se do yire se wo ho yese do yonko enti me neighbor ne ye me yonko enti baze na dua ese me ye me neighbor no papa me de me no wan eteda o ti ase na Valentine's Day ne kura no anya serious ade bia e fa no serious yes
na wo de utumi to gift ade
Valentine's Day na say yes serious ade bia afa ne chenchene list your de bre me kura ma mbufu ye nko to pa wa kokko dress kokko atade kokko etinwi kokko why ade Valentine's Day no especially day ben kwa bo me ka
no say to de kokko no
ba che odaru ma ba wa kokko atade kokko sebe wanim dress kokko no just say etinwi kokko Valentine's Day no eso fa so de any den kra o just say I say me sorry e say me ka happy Valentine e kire o keke
for what reason obi bi u hagi ni wie
ya we say and dey say do yonko se wo enti me neighbor no oye me yonko o just say
enti wo de chocolate ema ni neighbor
yes o ane dey bibi ka ho ane dey say Valentine to people Valentine's Day say Valentine ba cho ne mo ka no adawroma ba cho ni enti e twa ni tini ade no ono na e ne yire ana na danfo bi a what be bi nya ne yire o just say yes onti no sa ne ma kukuchar mintimi nkoye ne twetweta me nyinta me ho bare se tintina achi
carry when you say the talk gift man me yonko ba
no anybody can catch us say yes nyema yonko nom o ti ase yes do yonko yanka se do yire yes adofo nipa odo mo mbebe oni ade o mu na be ya mo aha o ti ase eno ya no enye krafo na hu mo bo area ha o ya ase why do you open me say Valentine by force by force yes gift if I go gifting krafo
no na nkura no nti fa na de share
yes if I go gifting krafo yanka se yire nom
na she
o ya ase o open me ka mami niema mami de ba ese minton no for the Valentine no any marketwa o ti ase obi boy shoe koko bag koko so koko dress koko brazier koko aden
o family
aden
all right abushia wait there mama ba wansa le chira so beka happy birthday kura chira no kura
bajo and radio so manka
yeah kai
ana wanyi bi
all right
and radio so manka mo kan
Okoman radio kan pack up my number 667755 055 and 0270191971 the boy ye say ne want to hear am na mo ni neighbor mo no ode ade koma no okay ode shabe ni
Kwame Imperi the finders
na me pacho Samre ode shabe ni
ebi wo wusi ba ko pe
champion ebi wo fina bibia boko de mia
boko minia berma
okay Okoman ni
ogwa manga no
ode cheche wajo wasemi o
agwa sho azena mesro we say na me kai say na say mi zu say ni chiro say ndiem so what ya say say why helis din yama ukunu na wantumi anto na wa to chocolate am obi a me so say we boni bia ni sa le pacho say what ma say boni bia ni me nyon ne ne hye den ni bia mu hye den bu kura bibi papa bi na beba na wa bia say rukun na so anfa ma obi wa na kwa say wa ta kapuma no wanjam ni say wan sa okura nke yewu mini asa what ma say
matter was say
just a list na ka sample
happy Valentine na say mama no
gifti wa bu mu ha wetie walate
okay
yeah sport
list be
na I want to shout out
yo enti no e walate we as sport
list no way
all right sure
now say me come happy Valentine
055166
and I'm say happy Valentine
7755 055166
Okoman for manka
o family
also amuka dey
Okoman for manka happy Valentine
yeah kai
it is me by force I'm sure
we talk about ko and
me talk about me ko ne say one o twa atom so mama ne list
okay
2 say me ne natena fie went to me anya hwe ama me no to me share me yonko ba abonten ma ne parcel hage ne ka che ne say happy Valentine's Day
okay ode shabe ni
o family
hello local coach ni nkrakan
na nkrakan boko de local coach
obia ho ye
Okoman ni
ofi pe
ode she bomodi ya che wadwe wasemi o
obia de ka se fantasy anya no kure because the boy who is also Kyoto Koko let's just say why you find we fear sana we pie and this oko show obia be wo abonti anya boni
Mate me da say my correct o na say the boy asem o kan say ono no oba ne man le say we no pe Valentine Day ade
list no way
na
chocolate dey ne boy yade
me ba cho ode shebe ni
hello
me ba cho ode shebe ni wait me anyina so 0555667755
and as well as Valentine see ndo afufure ka se yire num
ode shebe ni
me ba cho bi nsira o me ka se tia ma
papa bi na bibia boko de bi nsira
na me adom
ena de ensa ya na asa
asa
da okay Okoman ni
okwa fe maya no
ade cheche wadwe wasemi o
me pa cho asem we me bisa the boy Bible say when man show fi so a untimi nhwe congregation so wo fi ketekete wo yire no makakra wentimi anka hwe chokomilo ba akokra wa wanto na utimi koto gift e de komo bi say Bible say do yonko na do yonko a 77 fedua sa wo yire o den was yes, and some of the aquabons into one yard.
Yo, the boy.
Mbacho, me is one to say, you can't be Valentine or radio so, Okoman for Anka.
We are
meant to me and can Okoman Kasa, no one. Ah,
you. Martin, I'm Papa Pro, our 0551 667755055 1667755
We are Okoman.
This is a wolf.
Who's that? I'm wolf.
I didn't have any.
Narrow new. The boy, are funny, Richie.
I didn't know Kasa.
The boy, we know if you know what my management, answer. What about what I do from the boy, on ye.
Minya say. Yes, the answer of the Mafufro, and Cassia, you know. We don't know what that. Oh, just into be a one bino. No, yes. No, children, dear man.
Okay, Mammy, a friend for you. What is your baby?
A friend to attain man of dignity, prosperity, integration.
Hey, we didn't know what man of dignity,
prosperity, integration.
Prosperity and what? Integration.
Man of dignity, prosperity.
Okay. And what?
Integration.
Integration. Okay. Now, Kasafi. Hello?
Yeah, me Kasafi as America say Orem.
Oh, okay. Now, somebody will come in here.
I feel.
Okapimayano. Okay. Teacher, what you are saying?
Mutacho Bemano wanyade. As you say, Umaufi, Emmy and Sana Bonte Kwame. I didn't know Okoya Bonte Kwado and Sana. One way, Abe Kasa. Say, and you're fine.
Bajo bisamiri se onu so den oto ma menra onu so oto den
enra kodi gwan be ye aduane ama
me da 0551
drop money na go
7755 and 0270191971 mami fo bi wa odi che be ni aja ko amtela
na kwa me de wa be no
na bibia bako tina aja che de
Jana do mo haye boko
Okoman ni
kwa pamayano ya sare ni anti okuma naja ya shirade ni mapa ho na wo ya misha mupa
nyamisha so cha wadwe wasemi
ana so zigibi nsi de wodi din wo ho me danga kia no twagu ho sa na mtade na mitina sasa de ya besia wo ho
sure bacha cha wadwe wasemi
aw madam de word ya mi support na wadi fo ma me wo fufu mawo adesa wodi nanga tuso ni na kibusa won timin kan rentere na wodi ada akucho abontin amata min won yaave no de boa min support
ba jose asiye papa ma fufura na mboa
matemeda say ba me fa fufura wa so 055166 7755
say na Valentine ni nikura ngeye
what's why dey
ye nikura ngeye oyire nkwa na obe no Valentine dey ye nikura ngeye
adisha be ni
obi anka so
na me pa cho wana me na kasai
me cho Priscilla Freddy
Apra de boko de Priscilla.
Nyame ado.
Okoman ni.
O fiese. The way they mean yenka be mother boy wanyadi.
Nka be mother boy.
Yenka be man wanyadi. Ezen ko saya no fakra nke e boto ofo no kan we sen ko di carry show ba. Wanyadi kra.
Yo.
Ese o yire nkwa na o se ma no. Happy Valentine Day. Afo from ni bi ni ade no.
Okay.
What you say?
Right. 0554667755. 05547755.
President pa.
All right. Adija be ni.
E ba to e
Benu ye na bibi abako de.
Erade adom boko.
Me na mpacho Kasafi.
Kasafi Borishim.
Borishim. Okay. Benu ye Okoman ni.
Okuyapema no.
Me ba cho che wadwe wasemi o.
Yo me pacho na de mo de boyfriend da bia oyema na yiri wo fie enti Valentine edu na se wakoche obi ade wa bonten a ensa hwe ke se da bia na yiri ne de on na de to abibia mu o ma na de enti wa ye wa bonten a ne kwa na ne
o ya bonten
o ma me den
en no se drop money me na ma so fa no aduane
enya wona ade ma
o ja se
enya wona ade ma
ade wudi loto
wo de betina ha na mo sania wo ya han.
All right, 0554667755. I'm in for a audition. All right, 0554.
What is that? Yes, you are the four. ai to be out no se me neighbor enra ye nya ni ya ehunu ye koso ha eno ye hunu ye koso ha omo ni bi omo mu ni bi o ja nya ni owo bi dada me so omo mu ni bi enra te kranfo mpanyi bo e ba hai omo ane mo Valentine happy Valentine yes
me chese me da won no me
nka se me no em no anete em no anete o ti ni u bro mu me na maska de go bro mu o ti ase yeah
right you know says ya no dodo ana chira happy for okay wait right dodo na chira the boy one nya de na 0554667755 and na my dey ejuma Oko Facebook and YouTube so abi
some say and no omo no omo Jordan de ma omo yire no omo kunum
ade na nya to sani awo be kan keke
na
ko be hu se wo do no na
sister ya me ka happy Valentine chani onu oni kunu oni mpra se bi oni babo o ti ase o de wan yan kunu wo hwe mi to se TV o ti ase ai
o to se
TV
ade
se de bi o hwe mi eti say woni kru woni bibia enti wo hia no a na wa kire odo de ama no o ti ase o le se ten say ai Roman Catholic for asidasum mesi den yes ka koton ha
all right abusha me dia frafo ni nyina si the boy I'm say empem bebre eniema si na from the biblical word you know mamim call ho na Valentine echira asem no yemfa wi ewa ha
o kwa me uti say Valentine asem na nkasa no nema bebre yanka se edu ho a yenkire odo o me sa na metumi akase edu ho no mo me first na menti ase and omo kansem bebre na hu Valentine edu sukra uti say abosonsom de ade but who study story history behind enra seni Okoman Kasa for the mama so for ba ha be cheche mu me hu ndada eye nice thing to show appreciation and love what I say and can run across a Christopher njinjinem enye bibi street jam ne carnival ne ade omo nya bi sorry because 31st night I sorry bi bo jama yes omo 31st ni twam no ade achi na ira first mu no omo jama je say kroni nyina ba so dem wo no mo what yes amani ye come nti bibi say do a asori fancy on beti so enye bibi oh fancy on beti so ye na me ka se bi say evi akropo hanom na te ku apima so dware twam a bibia ni wo bio bro nya twam but we stay bebe ko be su yes yare ya ko be su on be di bro nya omo afashe omo ye ni ade what you say enti no Christopher no ye my twam Christmas ne kwa David Valentine yenshemu kena na yema yamsum ni nya yamsum nyede
right me da say na no da me da say and the boy me da say nyampa echina midweek echina catch all the action enyom no NFA achede no ene ni di hu bebre nyame mani e da so ti ase aka asem we na fa nante catch afoforo say nipa nse hwe uhu ni a wo de esreche ne keke na bisa nse no ho te sei izare say ene wunua na uhu no echina ebi mpokra no ate asefo asase yesu bio enti no sreche wunua na srew enti post so srew enti dipa ban a wo yeso sreche wunua keke ma odo enu ka obi biara obeyi biemu me no wedding kra ye from na kwa me pray obetimi afrom the finest and me nyina ka twere me me fast da kese mfa Victor ohene da kulisto wo sanso na nana odamia Betty aka Betty no ni din na bedani aka NFA Victor ohene da kulisto wo aka the boy and DJ Donzi sanso na sida kese enkoma DJ Zigibi omnyina tabechi wote nana kwame aponsa edinka NFA nana okori ajimai sports team for no omnyina boy yachudom any day the first drive in the heart of the capital, bro. You're from Nana Kwame Perry. Who bet me from the finest? Me no wedding crap. Me caught.
Okoman Radio 97.1.